second video of GST my take, and this video is on GSTAT. For last few days, a lot of my friends have been asking questions about GSTAT, especially the additional evidence, the right to cross-examine non-existence of fake suppliers. Well, it's a long question. I will try to answer very briefly. Well, there is no time for filing additional evidence in terms of GST rules of procedure. There's a Rule 45 that allows us to file additional evidence. Now, additional evidence filing is purely discretion of the GSTAT. We do not have a right to get it admitted. Therefore, you will have to make out a very strong case that why this additional evidence be admitted. You can file with the appeal, or you can file during the course of appeal, but avoid filing just before the hearing on merits, because then the tribunal can perhaps take a view that we are trying to delay the proceedings, and that adverse view can be taken. Additional evidence can be filed if you made a request before the first appellate authority and on the same allegations put by revenue that was before the first appellate authority, you are before the tribunal. Then tribunal can say, yes, this evidence is required. Or where the adjudication order the original mandates that this order was passed based on statements of third parties or the witnesses who supported revenue, then you have a strong right for requesting for cross-examination. You have to move an interlocutory application we called IA before the tribunal. I think it's APL 06 or whatever the form you please see. You have to pay a 5,000 rupees fees and give list of all such persons who you want to call as witnesses and to record their statement before the tribunal orally or through video or through affidavits. Normally, tribunal will not allow this to happen in tribunal because tribunal is a final fact-finding authority. It is not an investigating agency. Therefore, if they allow this application, they will have to remand the matter to adjudication after with certain directions. Get the directions clear in the order, because when they dictate order, when you make prayer, ensure you make good prayers in your IA where you are paying 5,000 rupees fees. Now, if you read Rule 45, read with Rule 94, GSTAT rules of procedure allows this kind of application for cross-examination. But make this case right from first reply to show cause notice. I always maintain as a lawyer where you have to exercise these rights, question of law, make from very first